Jano Mugisha Muntu oriko ebembera ekibina echa ANT nagira ngu echange cha Bunyoro bine amajuta ngo kandi abantu betenga abantu abiniraka okubasa kubarwanirira okugira ngo babase kurinda ebyo bwiga bwabo nayo njeragira ngu buri changa omwihanga kiremo ebyo bwiga bwo mwitaka ari kugira ngo Karamoja tin gold na copper rero Busoga nabo bine ebyo bwiga bwabo Changa chamashuma gihanga nabo bineyo ebyo bwiga ariko kugira ngo ababona nibetenga abantu abakubasa kubarwanirira.
Human also to get strong leaders who stand for their interest regardless of which party they are in. Because if they send members who like now the majority of them are in the ruling party and it comes maybe to exploitation of resources in Bunyoro and they can't stand up and speak, who is going to protect them? It's not only in Bunyoro. We keep telling even everywhere where we go. Karamoja with those riches, Busoga now they have got rare earth.
Aba obwahati bariyo nibetorora ihanga bari kureba ebyabireho omukarura ke 2026 hamwe no kutekatechera 2031.
Then once we are through with that, simultaneously we want to do marketing of the party so that more and more people get to know what we stand for. So that even when you have that leadership infrastructure from down up, then you also recruit the support base.
Ugunashoborera ngwihanga rishemerire kureba ngo buri kintu cyakora umurimo gwacho ari kugira ngo ishengero ryine mirimo yaryo ekitongore ekiramuzi naco kine umurimo gwacho ari kugira ngo buri kimwe kine gukora ceherire okwenda ngo imirimo yabo ebase kuterezi hanga.
The separation of powers. Executive is supposed to function, parliaments function, judiciary function as institutions. Each is independent of the other, but they work together also for the stability of the country and forward movement of the country. But when you have one, like in this case, an individual, not even an institution, the president of the country, literally calling the shots all over, parliament is compromised, judiciary is compromised.
Umunyeshengero owahoima City Division Ismail Kasule yahabura habebembezi abekibine cha ANT abarabiremo mu karake 2026 okozesa emyanya yibatungire okuleta hempinduko mu bantu
tubirivingira muno twikiriza muno omukombeka abekulembezi tukutaga tuombeka abekulembezi twechimiitirize tukole analysis role ebyabaire mu 2026 elections nebiro hobwire bunu na ekitukwetaga mu 2031 na hali tukwetaga ihangali yitugenda so nibyo bintu tukwechimiitirizaho nokura twayombeka obukura tobwayita kwa tukutekaniza delegates conference egenda koma obwekulembezi obwijire obwekitebe ki Alliance for National Transformation.
Jackson Wabyona owekibina echa ANT Candle Coordinator oweburenje Rizova nawe yahiga abantu muri Bunyoro okwegita ahakibine cha ANT ngomulingo gumwe ugokombeka Uganda nungi.
So tukusaba abantu ba Bunyoro ajoininge ekitebe ki ANT kandi kyolekera nti enkola yaki yotere about managing elections. Nikyo kyonka ekikulaba mu ihanga lyona tukiyaruga mu kalulu kwekibitiriza mu kirya kuri mu kalulu no training abakulembezi babe bali mere hansonga.
Ebyo bikiri aho ayebarekanya rutoche ori coordinator wa ANT ahabwa district ya Kagadi nawe yajumiriro kweyongera okobushomankuzi omwihanga.
Muri kutunura ihanga lyetu nirigwa mu katubagiro we are heading into political kwagamaya. It is only ANT itukunira ngwera cy'umwihanga tukisaba insinganto ntweyungeho solegenda kusomesa abantu kandi nokwekwatiramu gasha kwa Gada Saba ahabwa Tire West.
Isa nchini ngete fulaka.